Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a drill. This is an emergency. You're about to check out a Cummins KTA 1150. Stick around, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to Green Industrial's YouTube channel. You must have just Googled Cummins KTA 1150. Let's burn some dinosaur bones, baby. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 375 KW Cummins generator. But most importantly, it comes with this Cummins KTA series engine. This is an inline 6-cylinder turbocharged aftercooled engine, putting out about 565 horsepower at 1800 RPM. So folks, if you're looking for just an engine, this is an amazing semi-truck engine over the past several years. The last couple we've had have actually went into that application and haven't even used the generator end. So if you just need the engine, folks, please call us. Otherwise, yes, this machine will produce 375 kW, about 560 amps of 480 volt. So folks, there's a ton of ways we can use this technology. It may be old, but it's good. Cummins made a great impact on the market with this engine, and it's still completely marketable to this day. We just completed a PM on this machine, so it has all new oil and filters. As you can see, it's set up with city water cooling. You'll see in the video in a second here that we're cooling it with our remote mount radiator just for the running purposes of today's video. But low hour machine, 565 original hours. Again, what more can you ask for a Cummins KTA? So folks, if you have any questions, I'd sure love to hear from you. Give us a shout here at the office, 262-476-5045, or get on our website at gibuys.com. And as always, folks, save thousands and buy used from Green Industrial today.